If you saw some of the other explanations for other forms, you know that this was once referred to as the Earth grid that went around the planet, around the human being, the grid that is found around all planets, and it was called the Christ consciousness grid. And now we've seen this evolve into something even more powerful. And what I mean to show you this for is to show you how the next form was created. If you take the points of the icosahedron and the dodecahedron and you connect them so that you have diamond shapes in between these points. And again, remember I showed you that this relationship to the long relationship is in the phi ratio relationship. So the phi ratio is what relates to the physical body and the physical bodies of plants, animals, human beings, everything organic and growing on the planet. The DNA structure itself is based on phi ratio relationships in the way the two, that you have the double twist there and the double helix. So when you connect these points, what you get is a form that we call the unity grid. So you can see these little diamond shapes from connecting the points of the Earth grid. The line going across the middle is the dodecahedron that was in the original form. I left the dodecahedron in this form. And the reason is, again, the dodecahedron is the element that interfaces to the physical. It's what allows the physical to be brought online and to be worked with the etheric dimensions, with the subtle dimension that is just beyond the physical. That's the etheric. And so that's fourth dimensional, interfacing with fourth dimensional energy between fourth and third. So by working with this form, what you have are the 30 diamond shapes that are cut in half. So these diamonds are in a phi ratio relationship. The width to the height is in that phi ratio, which we showed with this particular form, which can demonstrate something like the hand to the elbow, the wrist to the middle finger. There are many phi ratio relationships in the physical body, and that's what this relationship is showing. So what happens is, again, this starts relating to the physical dimension and to all life and all health. And so this is a phenomenal tool. It works with all the different emotional, mental, and physical bodies, bringing them into relationship with the higher realms, so there is a stronger sense of unity, a stronger sense of connection. This starts creating relationship between you and other human beings, you and the earth, you and all plant life. It is very effective in not only downloading information and energy to you, but projecting information and energy into the planetary grid itself, into the health and well-being of all those in its vicinity, which is a very large radius, especially when it's spinning and turning on its axis in a clockwise way, bringing energy into the environment, and counterclockwise when you want to draw energy up from the earth and project it out into the larger relationship with the earth grid. In the process, it's bringing everything into a level of sacred space through gratitude, through that higher knowing, through that higher connection. This is a tool that helps dispel the illusion of what's going on in this reality, bringing through higher levels of love, compassion, and well-being for all.